Hello, everybody. It's Alex here from Aurora Labs. Nice meeting you all here, as always, on Fridays at this time on Friday Alpha League sessions from Aurora Labs. In this live stream on the YouTube, every week we are gathering all of the most important news from the Aurora ecosystem and sharing them with you directly live. And also this stream is a chance for you to ask your questions, and we will be trying to answer all of these questions. Sending love to everybody, congratulating everyone with the start of the last months of the winter. Spring is just behind the door. I would say that hopefully this spring also will come to the crypto markets. We see some revival of the activity happening. Well, who knows? Maybe this is going to be the spring that was going to lead us into the summer. However, independently of any crypto markets and what is happening there, Aurora Labs' team is continuing to develop the core products of the Aurora ecosystem for you, and we are trying to deliver them as fast as possible. This particular feature was shown a little bit to all of you during the previous stream. However, I would like to put your attention to it once again. And we are talking about an additional model web wallet connect functionality that was added to the Rainbow Bridge. So in case you're going in the Rainbow Bridge, you just can go to rainbowbridge.app. And in case you're going to get here and connect through Wallet Connect, the thing that you're going to see here is the model of Wallet Connect, and you are able to connect with different ways, right? So that's a pretty nice looking view right now, delivered to us by Wallet Connect team. So super great to see this thing here. And obviously you are able to log in with your Wallet Connect supported wallet. So I would like to remind, so that's just the new feature, but I would like to remind once again to everyone an additional great feature that was added in the Rainbow Bridge that was announced last week in the beta test mode right now. And this is the fast transfers from NEAR to Ethereum networks. So for some of the tokens, including Aurora, RAP, BTC, USDC, at the moment it's only 3 tokens. There is an option to do the fast transfers, and these transfers are depicted as a lightning bolt near the token, and you are able to actually do the transfer and try out the fast transfer that you're going to the fast transfer for you. So in general, the transfer is first of all, we are inviting people to participate in this. In order to participate, you can leave comment here with your NEAR account and with your NEAR account, literally. That will be enough. And write to any of them, or write to any of the moderators in any of the communication medias that we have. And what fast transfers are bringing is encoded in the name of it. So fast transfers from NEAR to Ethereum are going to take just minutes in comparison with the regular transfers that are taken from 4 to 8 hours. Their cost is a little bit higher. The cost is calculated based on the finalization costs on the Ethereum blockchain. So user doesn't need to finalize the transaction on the Ethereum blockchain, which user should do in case of the regular transfer. So as you can see here, it's around $19 at the current prices of the gas on the Ethereum blockchain. So for the fast transfer, it is calculated as just a fixed number, and then here is the fixed fee, as you can see here, and then there is also a pretty small variable fee, which equals to 0.01%, right? So these transfers are a little bit a little bit, they cost a little bit more in general, but for the users, obviously they are fast. They do not require any additional interaction with the Rainbow Bridge to finalize the transfer and stuff like that. I encourage everyone to check it out. Once this feature is going to be out from the beta test mode, more tokens will be added, and the size of the liquidity is going to be increased on the Rainbow Bridge, so the transfers of a bigger size would be able to happen. So while the beta tester, and I would like to say big thanks to all of the beta testers who are right now using this feature. Thanks everyone for your feedback. We really appreciate it. And for sure, just once again, want to say that this feature is going to be launched in production at the moment when we are, from our side, we are absolutely sure that they will have no security implications for all of the existing and future users of the Rainbow Bridge. Continuing the news with the Rainbow Bridge, we would like to announce the integration of an additional near wallet and support of this wallet in the Rainbow Bridge interface. And do you know what is the wallet name? Here. So nice pun to everything around near. Now we have here wallet. So congrats to here wallet, and I'm glad that that we are kind of widening the scope of the landscape of the different near wallets that are connected to us. Aurora Labs is also working on the updates to the Aurora protocol, and we have an interesting idea in mind. And this idea is something that nobody has tackled before. That's a new step in the development of EVM blockchains. And this idea is to utilize any ERC20 token available inside of Aurora as a gas token, and give an opportunity for RPCs actually to set the tokens that they are willing to get paid in. There is a pretty long, in-depth, pretty technical post on the governance forum about this feature. I encourage everyone who is interested in the future, on the technical future of the Aurora protocol, to take a look at this and express your opinion on what do you think about this proposal. And maybe you can raise some additional concerns, or maybe some of your ideas may be incorporated in this proposal. At the moment, this is a proposal. We have been thinking through it inside of Aurora Labs for some period of time. Hopefully you are going to like it, and we will see great developments coming out of this. Moving on to the ecosystem applications, we have quite a lot of announcements this week. Mises, one of the first mobile Web3 focused browser, now integrated Aurora. So for everyone who is using this browser, they would be able to see Aurora network there. Welcome to the family, Mises. CoinStats, a solution that allows you to track your assets on Aurora, a solution that allows you to track your assets in the wallets and DeFi products, now integrated Aurora. So in case you have been using CoinStats on other networks, now you're able to use Aurora 2, or you're able to use the solution on Aurora 2. So pretty cool stuff. Squid, one of the protocols that are built on top of Axelar, our long-standing partner, announced the raise of 3.5 million seed round. Squid is building a bridge on top of Axelar technology, the token bridge on top of Axelar technology, right? So that's the core thing. In case you have been visiting near Con this year in Lisbon, we have been having with Axelar and Squid people the separate Aurora event, and we have been talking about nice, great things that can follow these developments. So check out this project. Now they have some money to build through the bear market. Near X, a liquid staked Near token that represents the staked Near token by Stader, launched on Origami. Now you're able to lend and borrow this token on Origami. This is something that you are able to explore in the Origami's Medium post just yesterday. So quite a nice thing. Good to see the new tokens come into Origami. Actually, did Origami change a little bit in the beginning their logo? Shouldn't it be a little bit different? Not quite sure. Tell me in comments in case this actually happened. Bastion, another lending protocol, the major lending protocol on Aurora, has listed a thread that commemorates the first year of the operations of the Bastion protocol. So pretty cool stuff. They have been going into all of the different stats and details, and also what they've done is kind of updated their look and feel. Now the Bastion, like this guy, is now in 3D and shiny metal thin. And as far as I understand, the icon also was updated a little bit. So cool thing. Congratulations to Bastion team. Thanks for providing the lending facilities for the whole Aurora ecosystem for already a year. And looking forward for your updates and new news coming in. Aurora community continues the threads about NFT artists and NFT collections that are launched on Aurora Network. And this week they have been posting a thread about Sleepless Monk, a person that has developed using the AI technologies the collection of the Aurora helmets. By the way, you must probably be able to see it in my profile. Yeah, take a look. This is my helmet. I have one too. So cool stuff here, and great things. Sleepless Monk, thanks for being with us, and hopefully Aurora community will even increase their engagement with your work. Aurority was hosting a AMA session with CoinStats, the ones that launched on Aurora this week, and then they were doing this AMA here. So just mentioning this, obviously there were some additional promotion codes, as you can see, 30 promotional code for 10 best questions. Not quite sure what does it mean, but there are the codes that you are able to use in Aurora Plus. Why there are 30 but 10 questions? Anyways, please follow all of the different activities in the Aurora ecosystem. There are quite a lot of them, and you are always able to participate in these activities. Moreover, it is pretty simple to do with an updated Telegram bot by Aurora Hunters. So actually it looks like this. You are able to go to the to Aurora Expert underscore bot and talk with them. Talk with this bot, and you would be able to see answers to frequently asked questions. You will be able to see all of the updates, and actually Aurora Hunters are doing Aurora Weekly Digests, and this is the place where they are combining all of the updates and making it podcast. So in case you're a person who likes to listen to information, for example, on the go or doing your workout, that's a proper place where you would be able to get your weekly portion of the news from the Aurora ecosystem. So check out Aurora Bot, and yes, all of the events are available there. Now, coming back to Aurora Hunters, they were also doing a first of this type of AMA directly into Aurora main channel on Telegram. Aurora is near, and what they were doing is they were actually, this is a pretty cool thing. Please pay your attention here. So they have been inviting one of the project that is already working in the Aurora ecosystem, and together with the founder of the project or with some people from the team of the project, they have been going through the actually how their project works. They have been clicking, seeing what are the different things happening there, you know, and it's kind of pretty cool stuff. So I hope that this activity is going to be continued, and more projects will be going there and demonstrating things. From my side, we'll be happy to join these AMA sessions with showcasing how Rainbow Bridge is working. Why not? And continuing, Aurora Hunters Mystery Box Initiative or Quest is now spread out from Aurora Hunters out to our other communities that are working in the Aurora ecosystem. So Aurora India, LATAM, and Brazil have adopted this great engagement technique, I would say. So pretty cool stuff, and great that initiatives are shared across different communities. Glad to see this stuff. And last but not least, I just wanted to mention to everybody that Aurora project is built on the principles of the full transparency and full auditability. Well, that's kind of core values of the blockchain technology. So why not build the whole project based on these principles, right? And everyone in the internet are able to check the stats in a community dashboard that is called Aurora DAO dashboard, right? It is available on auroradao.club. And in this dashboard, you are able to see the analytics of the growth of Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, you know, different things. You are able to see the stats of particular channels, right? So, for example, how the Aurora official account is growing over time, and also you are able to see the events, all of the different events that I have been mentioned before, and you even able to set the reminder for yourself that there is something that is going to happen. So I encourage everyone to check out auroradao.club and see what is happening there. This is a nice place where all of the activities are collected together, and also there is just a straightforward way for you to check out what is happening inside of the Aurora ecosystem in a very numerical format with the stats that are shown to you. So pretty cool stuff, fully done by the community. Great to see these things. We actually, inside of Aurora Labs, besides our own dashboards, we are also looking at this particular tool, this DAO dashboard. So yeah, absolutely great. So at this moment in time, I'm ending the set of the news that I wanted to share with you, and we have several questions that the community has been asking. So the first one is, do you plan other tokens as gas for Aurora network in future, like near stables or any other? So this is obviously connected with the first thing that I was mentioning today, the usage of the ERC20 as gas token. I think that there is we need to provide an opportunity for the real layers to charge. I think near and stable coins, right? And the idea behind it is super simple. In case like I see the profile of an RPC node that is charging near is that they just would like to have less risk, right? So relayers are paying near blockchain for the execution of Aurora transactions, right? And in case they charge near from the user, it kind of removes the necessity or removes the risk of swaps, right? So it kind of, I would see that RPCs that are charging near are RPCs that are willing to decrease their risks. From the other standpoint, there might be RPCs that are charging stables just because they also need to pay for the renting of the servers, right? So, and servers rent is paid in US dollars, right? So there is another part of their cost structure, which is in the US dollar. So in order to decrease that risk, it makes sense to charge in US dollars, right? But besides that, I don't see any other viable candidates. So having ETH, Aurora near stables open for everybody, I would say. But eventually our goal is to allow any token to be used as a gas token for Aurora network. Why not? This is something that can be used by some RPCs in order to develop their own business models with their own token. This is the similar innovation that Aurora have been doing 1 year ago with Near blockchain, when we launched, when the DAO was launching and Aurora Labs was managing this validator, a new Aurora validator, and that was a new version of the validator, Near validator, that was generating Aurora tokens. By the way, it is already working right now. Again, like it's continued, the program continued, and now everyone are able to stake with this validator and get Aurora tokens instead of Near tokens that this validator is earning. So check out this thing too. Something like that. Okay, lots of love shared in the chat. That's great. And I hope you enjoyed this stream. And as always, we're going to see each other exactly 1 week from now during the next Friday Alpha Lake session. Thank you very much.